Get acquainted with the 2004 Toyota 4Runner. This vehicle still has fewer than 200,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Prepare to take your driving pleasure to new heights and enjoy the best of modern efficiency and style. You'll love the advanced safety features, quiet cabin, and responsive handling this vehicle has to offer. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, fog lamps, electronic stability control, leather steering wheel, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering, cassette,